Hello everyone. In our last videos, we have learned to make our own blocks. We learned to add parameters to our own block. And then in our last video, we did a program for drawing increasing square pattern. In this video, we will draw a spiral. A spiral is same as increasing circular pattern. So we start program with our head block, which is Arduino program, and we are going to use our own blocks here. To draw a circle, we need the forward command and the speed difference between left and right motor. Left motor is at full speed while the right motor is at 180 speed. This will ensure that the robot will rotate towards right. Now we also know that if we give right speed as 0, the robot will rotate on its right wheel. Right wheel will be stationary, whereas the left wheel will continue to rotate, and it will make a circle on its right wheel as the center. Now if I increase the speed of the right wheel, it will still make a circle, but the radius of the circle will keep on increasing. So lesser the difference between left speed and right speed, greater is the radius of circle made by our robot. So what we are going to do now is to draw a spiral. We have to continuously change the right speed, or rather continuously increase the right speed. So we'll give a wait for a certain time, let's say 4 seconds, because we have seen that with these speeds my robot makes a full circle in 8 seconds. So 4 seconds it will make a half circle. Now after 4 seconds, once the half circle is made, I want to increase the radius of the circle. So how do I do? I need to increase the speed. We know in programming, when you want something to change, we need to have a variable. So let's create a variable. So we have a variable, and at the start of the program, we will set our right speed to, let's say, 150. And this right speed we will give it here. Instead of giving the right speed as a number, we will give it via variable. So when we start, our left speed is 255, right speed is 150. After 4 seconds is done, I will repeat this code. But before repeating, I will increase the right speed. So I will change the right speed, let's say by 20. So once the half circle is made, after that the right speed is going to increase from 150 to 170, and this is going to get repeated. So now next time the right speed is going to be 170. So 255, 170. As the difference between the speeds is reduced, the radius of the new circle is going to increase, and hence instead of completing the circle, it is going to make a bigger circle, and continuously bigger circle will lead into a spiral. I'll repeat this, let's say 4 times. I need to stop the vehicle after 4 repetitions. So let's use vehicle stop outside the loop. You can make this program, upload it in your robot, and try it out to see a very nice spiral.